All right, our vocabulary. So we're going to place the check mark over the correct object that represents a square-based pyramid and is the figure for the following net. So a net is going to be kind of a shape unfolded. So a shape unfolded is going to be a net. So a square-based pyramid has a square in the bottom on the base, and then it's connected. All these fold up. So it's kind of like origami in a way. You're folding things and it makes a pyramid. So this is an ice cream cone. So that's a cone, that's not it. This is going to be a cylinder, can of soup. It doesn't have a square anywhere. I mean, this box of Kleenex could have a square, but it's rectangle, so that's a rectangular prism because it doesn't even go up to a pyramid, to a point. This has a couple points, but that's triangles. Um, and so that's triangles that's going to be a triangular prism, not a pyramid because all of them need to come up to 1 point. So look at this. Pyramid, just like in Egypt, a pyramid. So guess what our answer is going to be? This one. So go ahead and drag that check mark over to there. Great job.